Hey there, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to block Facebook email notifications. So without time, let's start. Open up the Facebook app. Tap on menu at the bottom right. And you'll need to head into the settings. So at the top right, let's tap on that gear icon. Now you need to scroll down a bit, and you'll see under Preferences the third option is Notifications. Tap on that. Now this will show you various notifications. And if you receive an email for any specific notification, then click on that notification option, and toggle this off. That's it. Or there is an easier way you can do it. Scroll to the very bottom here. Here you can see where you receive notifications. Tap on Email. It says Email Frequency. Now if you never want Facebook to be able to email you, then you can toggle all of these off, that's it. So this is the easiest step to block Facebook email notifications. If you think this video is helpful for you, please hit the subscriber button and turn on all notification icon.